Congratulations,
Okay.
Honorable Speaker.
Acceptance speech from Right Honorable Speaker, sir.
Sobola chokuke hazere mola. Sobola chokuke hazere mola. Hazere mola, sobola. Sobola chokuke hazere mola. Sobolaya. Sabulaya Zirimola Sabulaya. This kind God, oh, I've never seen your type, oh. This kind God, oh, blessed be your holy name. Blessed be your holy name, this kind God, oh. I've never seen your type, oh. This kind God, oh. Blessed be your holy name. Praise the Lord. Please be seated. Please be seated. Thank you very much. Thank you. Let me very specially thank all of you that came out this morning to be part of this historic primaries in the All Progressive Congress APC Obio Ward 1. You turned out, all of you came out here with your hearts. You came out here, you were not forced to come out. You could have decided to stay at home, but you chose to come and reaffirm what you have continued to say. So I thank all of you. I thank the elders of the party. I thank our mothers, our women, the youths, all of you that came out en masse for this primary election here in Ward 1. May God bless all of you in Jesus' name. And more importantly, for reaffirming the fact that you want me to fly the flag of the All Progressive Congress APC in the forthcoming 2027 general elections. This is Obio Federal Constituency, and the current holder of that office is the Honorable Kingsley Ogundo Chinda, who, by the grace of God, is also contesting under the platform of the All Progressive Congress, APC. So by next week, we will be coming out to vote again for the governorship. Those who have picked forms, and we know where we will vote. Don't we know where we will vote? No. When the time comes, you know what to do. But for today, you have affirmed your earlier decision, and by the special grace of God, and by your voting this morning, I have emerged as the winner for Ward 1. You know that as you are voting here now, people are voting in Ward 2. People are voting in Ward 3. People are voting in Ward 4, Ward 5, Ward 6, Ward 7, up to Ward 17 of Obio. The entire Obio is voting as we speak. So, but Ward 1 has just concluded, and this is my ward. It's only important I address my people. At the end of the primaries today, by the special grace of God, when I'm declared the winner, because I will be declared the winner. So, when I'm declared the winner, I will address Obio people at the end of the day. But for now, it's Ward 1. So I'm speaking to people of Ward 1. I'm so happy that we are all together Those sent by the National Secretariat in Abuja, they are very close. We just got a call. The people who sent these people from Abuja, they said they want to come to Ward 1 and see people of Ward 1. So they are very close. So please don't leave so that we can receive them. Those that are coming from the National Secretariat, I've just been told they are very close. So just give them a few more minutes. Let them greet you in a few minutes. Then they proceed to other local governments. You know, they are going to all the local governments in Rivers State. So it's not a small task. But today they said they must get to Obio Ward 1. So it's a privilege. They don't have to come, but they said they will come here and see us. So please don't leave. Let's see them. I will sit here myself and wait for them to come. So once again, know that we're together. We're not going anywhere. We stand here for the APC. We stand here for Mr. President. This is the party we will vote for in 2027. This is the path. This is the channel. This is the pathway for our people in Rivers State. This is the party that has given us the FCT minister, His Excellency Ezenwoye Sonwike. Most of the achievements in terms of infrastructure we see in Origwe, we brought them. Just look around in Ward 1, in Obio, our leader, we all work together to ensure that what we have today, we have them. So we're not going anywhere. We stand by the political leader of Rivers State, His Excellency Ezenwoye Sonwike. We stand with Mr. President. Anle Osuma Pebera Azizi. Hunaka Mrs. Mbra. My take over no brick house. Ayewa Chibubura. And now I'm winning by the special grace of God. So there is no need. Go and dust your voter's card. Dust your voter's card. We will make it very, very loud. We will make it loud. This one, unit by unit, everybody should go and prepare. Our brothers who have just turned 18 that are yet to register, the registration is still ongoing. Go and get your voter's card so that you can exercise your civic responsibility and your right to be part of election of your leaders. Those of you that couldn't register before, the opportunity is ongoing for you to go and register so that you can get your voter's card. Those of you that maybe you are looking for your card, they don't know where it is, allow INEC to be informed so that they can print a new one for you, so that you can be able to vote. The process is ongoing, and in a few weeks, it will be over. I'm told that this INEC is here. The INEC EO is here. I don't know why they didn't recognize the EO. The EO is here. So INEC is well represented in these primaries here today. And they have informed us that we should tell our people to go and register. If you don't register, attending political meetings is useless because you will not be able to vote. So it makes no sense that you can vote, but when the time comes for voting, you will not vote. So, but I know our people are always very, very serious. We're enlightened, and that is why we say we should let you know. Tell your neighbor, tell the people living in your compound, on your streets. When you go to church, tell them, have you registered? If you have not, go and get your voter's card. Ask people where the INEC people are. Some of them that can't know their location, you can also go to INEC office at Edibolo here. You can also register there. But I know they are moving around now. So wherever you meet them, register and get your voter's card. So once again, I thank all of you. I'll speak to Obio people at the end of the exercise today. And the Obio people will know that we are very, very serious. And God will continue to bless us. Bless all of you. Keep you strong and healthy, our fathers and our mothers and our youths, everybody, in Jesus' name. Ameka, APC, renewed hope. Renewed hope. Tinubu is our president. Ameka. APC. APC. Obio Ward 1. APC.
renewed hope.
This is democracy at its best. We are very proud of the party in Rivers State. As your son and your brother will give our experiences here to the National Secretariat. This is unbelievable. Look at the madman crowd seated here, orderly, loyal to the party, comfortable with the party, happy with Bola Ahmed Tinubu,
Yes, sir, for our president.
happy with the All Progressive Congress. This would not have been possible without your deep belief in the All Progressive Congress and President Bola Ahmed Tinubu. We cannot thank you enough this afternoon. We will relay our experiences here to the National Secretariat. We will report to the National Chairman that the party, the All Progressive Congress, is in good health in Obio Akpor local government. In Ward 1, being the ward of the consensus candidate representing this constituency in the House of Representatives, our former speaker who has done well, Martin Amaewhule. We thank all of you for your comportment, but just to announce to you that on my left here is my brother, the image maker of our party, the National Publicity Secretary of APC, Barrister Felix Moka, who told me that if it is possible, he would like to come from Ward 1. Can you please speak to our people? APC,
The renewed hope.
APC,
The renewed hope.
I greet everyone and I bring you the goodwill of our great party from our headquarters in Abuja. I'm very delighted to be here. Even though I'm from Delta State, I must tell you that I grew up here in Port Harcourt. In fact, I was the senior prefect of the Federal Government College, Chumokoro, back then. So as you can imagine, I'm a homeboy. Thank you. But let me join my brother in commending you for this show of maturity, of peace, and democratic understanding. As we walked into this place, it was telling that, there was a spillover crowd outside. Even at that, those outside seemed to be very well conducted. And then as we enter the hall again, I'm just blown away by what I'm seeing. And so I want to thank all of you for doing our party proud, to gather in this manner, to do something, one of the most important things that any party does. This is the beginning of the long road to 2027. And already you are showing stamina, that you're ready to walk. And not just to walk, but to walk to certain and complete total victory for a great party in Rivers State. So, having observed this, we will be taking this message back to headquarters to let them know that the party should be proud of what you've done here today. And I thank you again.
A round of applause for him, please.
APC!
Renewed hope.
Standing ovation for our visitors, please. Standing ovation for them.
Please stand up for them.
Standing ovation for our visitors.
Please give
Thank you very much. And Azrael.
something. Martin Amaewhule tell us something. If you dey follow Tinubu, make you no follow corner. Martin Amaewhule tell me something.
APC. Ameka.
Dearly.
Ameka.
Dearly.
Eriyama.
Oyoyo. Oyoyo.
Eriyama.
Oyoyo.
Asikwapa. Ọbụla anyị kọrọ. Ọbụla APC passes.
Apasi.
Ameka. Ameka.
Dearly.
The chairman and members of the delegation, the vice chairman of our party, and the national publicity secretary, the entire team, of course, my dear brother, my senior colleague, the Honorable Kingsley Ogundu Chinda, the Honorable Kelechi Wogu, distinguished ladies and gentlemen. Without wasting much of your time, let me, as the leader of this ward, once again join the ward chairman who has already welcomed the national officers of our party that have come to observe the primaries here today. A lot has been said already. Let me, on behalf of the ward, thank all those who have come to visit us from Abuja. We are so gladdened by your visits. We are so glad. In fact, when I got the information you were on your way, some persons were already going. I had to call them back. These are the ones that had to wait. Many others have already left. But we asked them to please stay back, and by the grace of God, these ones were able to wait behind. If not, you would have seen much more than you are seeing here, because they've been here since 8 o'clock for this program. And they have told me that since our national officers are coming, that they will wait. If not for these people blocking here, you will see the elders. Please, I want them to see the elders of the ward. See the elders of the ward. My father is there. My dad is seated there. He's the one wearing the black cap. My dad is there seated.
A round of applause for him, please.
That's my father.
Please a clap.
So you can see that we are not the kind of people that we are on this side. Your family is the other way. The whole family is here. The whole world one is here.
Yes, sir.
No. So when you go, sir, tell our national chairman, tell Mr. President that what we told him from day one, that we will go to our villages, to our units, to tell people about what he's doing in this country, that we are very serious with what we said. Yes, we didn't say it for campaign purposes. Yes, we said it because we mean what we are saying, and that is what we are doing. So Mr. President has nothing to worry about. The APC has nothing to worry about. We have a leader of the renewed hope family in Rivers State.
Yes, sir. In
this River State, we have a political leader of the renewed hope family. He is no other person than His Excellency Ezenwa Nyesom Wike.
SSROX.
So, with our leader, the renewed hope family will continue to remain strong. It is the Rainbow Coalition. And we are moving forward. We stand for Mr. President, and by the grace of God, we believe that the remaining primaries that will take place from Monday upward will be peaceful here in Obio local government area. The same way it happened here, it will happen for other elections.
No.
Is it not what you said?
That's what we said.
We have already informed them that they are coming back here again on Monday. If you have time to come, if we knew you were going to come, would have made pounded yam and our favorite Ikwere soup. Mini Okazi. We would have prepared mini Okazi for you. So we can still prepare it and send it to you. So once again, thank you for coming to Ward 1. God will lead you safely. Wherever you go to other units, other wards, other LGAs, God will lead you safely. River State is the safest place for the APC. APC in River State is united, and it is well with us. It is well with our party. It is well with Mr. President. Thank you very much, and thank you for coming, sir.